In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods to Samsung phone. First, let's start by turning on Bluetooth on your Samsung phone. To do this, open the Settings app. You can find the Settings icon in your app drawer or swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, look for the option labeled Connections. This is where you will manage all your wireless connections. Tap on it to enter the Connections menu. From there, locate and tap on Bluetooth. This is a crucial step because Bluetooth must be enabled for your AirPods to connect. Once you tap Bluetooth, you will see a toggle switch. Make sure to turn Bluetooth on. You will notice the switch turns blue or green, indicating that Bluetooth is active. Now that Bluetooth is enabled, let's move on to the next step, pairing your AirPods. On your Samsung phone, look for the option that says Scan or Pair New Device. This option may appear at the top of the Bluetooth settings screen. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. It may also be labeled differently based on your phone model. Tap on Scan or Pair New Device to start the search for nearby Bluetooth devices. This is important because your AirPods need to be in pairing mode so that they can be detected by your phone. At this point, make sure your AirPods are open and close to your Samsung phone. If they are not in pairing mode, you may need to place them in their case, open the lid, and hold the button on the back of the case until the light starts to flash. This indicates that they are ready to connect. Once your AirPods appear on your Samsung phone's screen, tap on their name. This is a straightforward action that will prompt your phone to initiate the connection process. After tapping on your AirPods, you will see a prompt asking you to tap Pair. Go ahead and tap that option. This step is essential because it finalizes the connection between your AirPods and your Samsung phone. Once you tap Pair, you may see a confirmation message indicating that the devices are connected. This reassuring message means your AirPods are now successfully linked to your phone, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music or take calls wirelessly. With that done, your AirPods should now be connected to your Samsung phone. You can test the connection by playing some music or making a call. If you hear sound through your AirPods, everything is working perfectly. It's a simple process, but ensuring that each step is followed correctly makes a big difference in your listening experience. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to revisit the steps to make sure everything is set up correctly. Thank you for watching this tutorial on connecting AirPods to a Samsung phone. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Enjoy your wireless listening experience.